Travel is one of the industries hit hard by coronavirus, one of many industries hit hard.
That's right. If you are fully vaccinated, according to the CDC, you no longer have to self-quarantine or get tested before or after you travel. But this update comes as health experts warn of a possible fourth wave.
This morning, a major turning point in the race to vaccinate against the coronavirus. More than 100 million Americans have received at least one dose of the vaccine. The nation crossing this critical milestone as the CDC releases new guidelines on domestic travel, saying those fully vaccinated can resume travel without quarantines or COVID tests unless required by their destination.
Fully vaccinated grandparents can fly to visit their healthy grandkids without getting a COVID-19 test or self-quarantining.
But ahead of this announcement, many have already been on the move. 1.5 million took to the skies on Thursday alone. And with more discussions over vaccine passports, Florida Governor Ron DeSantis issued an executive order banning them, citing privacy concerns.
So I haven't been on an airplane for about a year and a half. And so this is the first time I'm going to get on a flight to visit my boy Mario to Texas. And so I kind of want to see what travel is like during COVID. I didn't travel at all during the height of COVID. And I waited until I got my vaccine to make sure that I'm at least fully protected. But, you know, I mean, I'm not too worried, but let's see what happens.
The only thing we offer here at Southwest Airlines currently with COVID still going on.
What's up, buddy?
How you doing?
Good, man?
Yeah, good.
Good. Like you just got the uniform and everything, huh?
Oh, yeah, man. I just got off. You know, playing hooky now.
Yeah, dude.
Finally in El Paso, Texas. Had a weird looking Uber driver.
Military driver for you.
I know.
Tax-free from the government. Here picking up my boy Ben. Hey, 2021, baby.
Yeah, finally got to see him again, man. All right, dude.
Doing it all over again.
All right, time to eat.
This is Mario's backyard. Off to camping.
Making a makeshift shower with a canopy.
This is just the beginning. The beginning.
Everyone getting ready to go fishing.
I got it.
You got it. Good job, Dylan.
Trout action.
We're gonna eat the head. Right. Panca. That used to be alive, y'all. That's my boy Juan. Savage, bro. No, we're good?